What does Matariki mean to you?
It just means family, the new year, school. It reminds me of my school days because that's pretty much when we learned about it, and it just makes me miss school.
So I understand it's the beginning of a new time and stars align and it's something that should be celebrated.
Matariki means a time for family, a time for aroha, a time of reflection over the past year and also the future to come.
I guess being a Pākehā kind of has a bit of a different kind of connotation, but I understand what Māori do and what it's about.
What are you doing to celebrate Matariki?
Probably drink some beers, self-reflect, go to the gym, just chill with friends and family.
Probably just end up having a nice meal with family, extended family and stuff like that. So just take it pretty easy. Obviously school holidays, so yeah, not a lot to worry
And
about.
he's a school teacher, so he needs that
Sadly.
rest, right?
Yeah, I need a rest, massive rest, yeah. Pay us our money, no, just joking.
I've got recently set up an art gallery at home, or a studio, so I'm going to do some painting.
So me and my whānau are actually hanging out at home. We were going to do stargazing, but I don't actually think that's possible. But we're just going to have some kai and really reflect on how we've been doing for the past year. Yeah.